The Descriptive Statistics feature does a sampling of common statistics for a range of data, like the maximum, minimum, sum, count, and a lot more. And so to be able to bring it up, it's an add-in, so it's not added in by default. And like all add-ins, to bring them into Excel, we need to go Backstage, File, down to Options, select Add-ins, and then down below make sure it says Excel Add-ins. Click on Go, and then check Analysis Toolpack. It's already checked for me, so let's go ahead and click Cancel, and it's going to be on the Data tab at the very end in the Analysis group. Click on Data Analysis, and look for and select Descriptive Statistics. Double click on it, opens up the window, and it says, okay, what's your input range? Well, if I want to choose this range, then we can leave it as is. Otherwise, I'd clear it and click on the Collapsible Dialog Box button. And if I want it for Q2, I can select it, hit the Enter key to pop it back open. And do I want it grouped by columns or rows? Well, I only selected one column, so I'll leave that alone. And then labels in the first row. I didn't include the label, but if I did, I want to make sure that I check the box, because if not, then it'll assume that the label is part of the statistics, and so that's not going to work. And then down below, the output options in a new worksheet. Give the worksheet a name or a new workbook. But let's go ahead and actually K4 sounds good, but we can delete it. Click and drag over here and choose it again. And then check Summary Statistics. Click Okie dokie. There we go. Well, it's being cut off, so let me go ahead and hover up in between the two column headers until I can see arrows pointing in opposite directions. Double click really fast to do a best fit, and then to the right of L, double click really fast, best fit, and there we go. Maximum, minimum, sum, count, and kurtosis, bless you, and so much more. And then of course, to go ahead and remove this, just go back the way we came. When you wanted to add the analysis, File, Options, Add-ins, click Go, uncheck the box, click Okie dokie, and it will be removed from the Data tab. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.